Okay, these are our notes on writing and solving one variable equations from real world situations. So, with these real world situations, we often have multiple words meaning the same thing. So, plus, total of, altogether, more than, sum, combined. This all means the operation of addition. When we subtract, fewer, minus, decrease by, less, difference. This all means subtraction. Times, triple, double, multiplied by, product, twice. This all means multiplication. Quotient, a third of, a fourth of, divided by, half of, divided into. This all means division. Is, are, equals, were, same, all means equals. Another one I'm going to put in here, equal to. So the steps when you're given a problem with a real world scenario, you always want to read the problem and then read the problem again to identify the key numbers, variables, and operations. Write the let statement to define the variable. Let this is like let um, let hours be h. Okay, and then write an expression for each side of the equation. So looking at number one, it says two phone plans are being compared. Plan A charges $20 per month plus $5 per gigabyte. Plan B charges $15 per month plus $6 per gigabyte. After how many gigabytes X will it cost be equal after a month? So we're going to let X equal, because after how many gigabytes X will the cost be equal in the last month? So let X be the number of gigabytes. And then we have plan A. And we want to know when plan A will equal plan B. So when I go back up here, plan A charges $20 per month plus $5 per gigabyte. So $20 per month, no matter what, period. That's a flat fee. Plus $5 for every gigabyte. That's going to be equal to plan B, which charges $15 per month plus $6 for every gigabyte. So now I have this just like I would have it set up before. Okay, step one, distribute. There's no parentheses, I don't distribute. Oh, actually, look back to here. The problem was write an equation for each real world solution. So I don't even have to solve it, I just had to write it. So that's good. That's all I had to do. Number two, a cleaning company charges $12 per room cleaning plus one time fee of $10 for supply. Another company charges $14 per room with no supply fee. For how many rooms will both companies charge the same amount? So I'm going to let X be the number of rooms because that's the part that's changeable for how many rooms. So that's going to be X. Okay. I'm going to call this one A. I'm going to call this one B. I have cleaning company A. and I have cleaning company B. So for cleaning company A, they charge $12 for every room, and X is the number of rooms. So $12 for every room plus, so that's plus a one-time fee of $10. So no matter what, I'm being charged is $10. They're coming to clean one room, I get charged $10 plus this. If they come to clean 50 rooms, then it's $10 plus however much this is going to cost. And I'm going to set this equal because that's what I want to figure out. Because I want to figure out the same, which is equal to cleaning company B, which is another one that charges $14 per room, period. That's it. And problem number 3, again, we're just writing the equation for this. It says rectangular solar panel has a length of 2x minus 4 inches and a width of 5 inches. A triangular shade sail has a base of 10 inches and a height of x plus 1 inches. So here's the first thing I'm going to do. They didn't even ask me a question, but they told me that there is a rectangle. So I'm going to draw a picture. Just like A says, I'm going to draw a picture. Here's my rectangle. It has a length of 2x minus 4 and a width of 5. And then it says a triangular shade. So here's my triangle. Has a base of 10 inches and a height of x plus 1. Cool. Write an equation where the area of the square in inches of the solar panel is equal to the area in square inches of the sail. So I need to find the area, and set them equal to each other. So the area of the rectangle is length times width. So that's 5 times 2x minus 4 equals, the formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 base is 10, height is x plus 1. All right. The first thing I'm going to do is I have parentheses. So I want to distribute to solve. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and do this. I look like I have a bunch of steps here. So I'm going to go ahead and say, don't call me after midnight. So step 1, which I'm going to do in purple, is going to be distribute. So I have parentheses here, so let me distribute. When I distribute, I multiply. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Equals. I'm going to distribute. 1/2 of 10. Half of 10 is 5. Parenthesis x plus 1. Oh my gosh, I have to distribute again. 5x times 1. This is 5x plus 5. This is 10x minus 20. Okay. Distributing. Check. Done. Combine like terms. There is nothing I can combine that's alike over here, so check that. Move the smallest variable. Well, 5x and 10x. So 5x is my smaller variable, so I'm going to subtract by 5x. (10x minus 5x is 5x minus 20. This goes away, and I'm left with 5. That one's done. Now I add, subtract. Now I have this. Now I want to move everything away from it. So I'm going to add 20. This leaves me with 5x, because this goes away, equals 5 plus 20. is 25. My last step, divide by 5. X equals 5. So that means that when X is 5, the area of this matches the area of this. And that's our notes on how to break down real world problems and word problems.